Good afternoon, class. I am Teacher Angelica Talidasan and just call me Teacher Angelica. Please stand. Angelo, lead the prayer.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Angel of God, my guardian here, whom God's love leads me here, ever this day, be at my side, to Lord and guard, to lead and guard. Amen. Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen. Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good
afternoon,
Teacher Angelica. Good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon.
Now, before you take your seat, please pick up some treasures under your chairs and make sure your chairs are arranged properly. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, take your seat.
Thank you, teacher.
So now, today we will tackle our new lesson. But before that, let us have a review first. So who can recall our previous lesson? Okay, Angela.
Our last topic is all about the multiplying two-digit numbers.
Okay, very good. So our previous topic is about multiplying two-digit
Two-digit
numbers.
numbers.
So now let's have an example about multiplying two-digit numbers. So I will call a student to answer this. If you really understand our previous lesson. Wait. Is it no?
Teacher, ako ang number 1.
Number 2, teacher.
Ako na sa 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so I will call a student to answer. So number 1, turn again. Angela, answer the number 1. Number 2, Angelo. Number 3, Florimine.
Number 2 po. Ako na yung
Number
number
6. Quiet class. Teacher, number 4 is 0. Oh, yeah. Teacher, ang yung pa sa mga natin.
Di ba tayo pagpunta? Very good.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. So, Angela, you answer number 1. Can you please explain your answer? And number 2, Angelo, explain. And after number 3 is Glory. Explain your answer. Number 1, Angela.
Teacher,
Don't doubt class.
Teacher, pwede i-correct naman po, teacher.
Explain. Explain,
Simple
Angela.
explanation.
Class, kamoy mag-explain kung nasabtan ba ninyo ang atong previous lesson. Okay, ready na, teacher?
Mag-explain na, teacher. Sakit pa daw iyang tuhod. Wait, teacher.
Faster. Explain your answer, Angela.
Okay, so first, so multiply two-digit numbers. So 8 times 0 is 0. So 6 times 0 is 0. And then 8 times 4 is
Don't laugh, class.
64. 34 ba? Ay, so mali.
32, teacher.
27, teacher. And then, after that, add. So, bring down 0. Then, what will be nice? So, 2. And then, now 27. So, the total answer is 2,720.
Okay, very good, Angela. Number 2, Angela, explain your answer.
Okay po, teacher. So the simple explanations about this number 2 is, oh, I don't explain the process of my answer because Angel already explained how to multiply. So the simple process of my answer, if you multiply 32 times 15, the result is 480.
Number 3, sorry.
So, 20 times that, 0 times 0 equals 0. Then 0 times 2 equals 0. Then 1 times 0 is 0. Then 1 times 2 equals 2. Then add this. Then money on teacher. Number 2 teacher.
Right na si Angelo Gay.
Okay, class. Angela said, just solve in your notebook or using calculator. Angela said, 32 times 15, the answer is
480, teacher. That is
yes.
Diba, 2 times 5, 10. So 0, carry 1 sa 3. Then 3 times 5, 15. Plus 1 plus 16.
Naman 1 times 32.
Ikaw, Angelo.
Tama po, i-multiply.
Angelo,
Tama siya, teacher.
Tama siya, teacher. Tama siya, hindi ka niya, teacher.
Ay, sorry teacher. Wala ko pala yan. Hindi shortcut ang yan.
Yes.
That is the shortcut.
Ang mga bright, mag-good kayo yun na
Teacher, I approve.
Okay, teacher. So, our previous lesson is about multiplying two-digit numbers. So now, let's proceed. So now, let's have an activity before we proceed to our new lesson. So, I have here 3 flashcards. So, I will group you into 3 groups. So, this is the group 1, group 2, and group 3. So, all you need to do, class, is to complete on what is written on the flashcard. So, after, if you are done, you will check your answer. Okay, this is for group 1. Group 1, Group 2, and 3. I will give you 6 minutes to answer that. Quiet class. Manayo, stop laughing. Just answer with your groups. If you're done, just quiet. Please, answer that. Stop talking to Manayo. Are you done?
Yes,
teacher. Okay, group 1. What's your answer? What are you?
Our answer is distance.
Yay!
Very good. So the answer of group 1 is distance. So, correct. Group 2, what's your answer? Our answer is time.
No!
What's wrong the answer of Manilin? Why are you laughing?
The expression of Manilin teacher.
Okay, stop talking, Angelo. Group 3, what's your answer? Group 3. Then. Number 3? Okay. John, explain. What's your answer? They were answer number picture. Okay, so your answer is
Our Rangers is
speed. So you are speeding up. Correct.
teacher
So now, who can guess what is our topic for today? Just raise your hands. Okay, what are you?
Speed, time, and distance to teacher.
Okay, very good. So our topic is about speed,
distance, and time teacher.
But before that, okay, just read first the objectives, everyone.
At the end of 60-minute period, the learners will be able to define the distance, speed, and time. Solve the distance, speed, and time.
Okay, so our topic today is we're going to solve the distance, speed, and
Time teacher.
but before that, please, who can, but before that, what is distance? Who can define what is distance in your own understanding?
Teacher,
Yes, Angelo.
when we say distance teacher, that is malayo sa isa ka object between you and the object of the other area teacher.
Okay, very good. You have a point, Angelo. Next is speed. What is speed? Anyone? Yes, what are you?
Ang speed teacher kung sa kapas-pason ang pag-travel sa isa ka object to teacher.
Okay, very good. Last is time. Who wants to answer? April. Define what is time. Time is what? Hour, teacher. 9 minutes, seconds, hour,
Wala, nasa bulan dito.
So all your answer is correct. So now let us read first the definition of distance.
Teacher,
Speed. Quiet, Angelo. Distance, speed, and time. So now, who wants to read the definition of speed?
Teacher.
Okay,
I
Angelo.
want to read. Distance is the total length between two possessions.
Okay. Next is speed. Yes, Angela.
Speed is a scalar quantity that refers to how fast an object is moving.
Next is time. Teacher. Yes, Corey.
Time is a quantity measured or measurable period during which action, process, or condition exists or continues.
Okay. So that this is the definition of distance, speed, and time. So now let's have an example about the distance, speed, and time. So this is the example. But before the class, we have a formula to calculate the speed, distance, and time. So if the distance is unknown, the formula is distance equals speed times time. If the speed is unknown, the formula is distance example. So can you read first the first example? Anyone? Yes, Ifrit.
A car travels in 120 kilometers in 2 hours. Find the speed of the car.
Okay, so what we're going to do, class? To calculate the
Speed.
speed. So the formula is
Speed.
S equals
Distance over time.
time. So what we're going to do first? Is
Wala
equals.
kang given.
Substitute teacher.
So what's the given? 120.
It's the distance teacher, 120 kilometers.
Yes, 120 kilometer. Next is is equal to
This
over there.
distance anak siya teacher, distance na siya teacher. D.
So
So the distance
the distance is equal to 120. Speed is unknown. Time is 2 hours. 2 hours. So we're going to what we're going to do? Substitute. So speed is equals to distance 120 kilometer over 2 hours. 2 hours. So speed is equals to 120 divided by 2 is equals to 60.
60.
60
Kilometer per hour.
per hour. Okay, next example. Can you read the second example? Who wants to read? Yes, Kathleen.
A bus traveled 252 kilometers at 72 kilometers per hour. How long does it travel?
Okay, so what we're going to do? All we need to do is calculate the time.
The time.
So the formula is
T is
T
equal to V
distance
over
over speed. T is equals to over distance and time. So time is equal to distance is equals to
252 kilometers.
252 kilometers and speed is
72
kilometer
kilometers.
per hour.
22 kilometers per hour. So time is
Unknown.
So we're going to calculate the time. So time is equals to 252 kilometers over
72
72. What's the unit?
kilometers per hour.
72
Kilometer
kilometers
per hour.
per hour.
Wala mo.
So where we're going to flash out the kilometer. So 252 over 72. 252 divided by 72 is equals to time is equals to calculate
3.5.
3.5. What's the unit?
Hour.
3.5 hour. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's have another example. Number 3. Who wants to read? Yes, Rory.
Calculate the distance that you will travel if you will drive for 3.5 hours at 74 kilometers per hour.
Okay. So, what we're going to do is to calculate the distance. So, what's the formula of distance?
D is equal to speed times time.
Okay. So, what's the distance?
Unknown.
Speed.
74 kilometers per hour.
74
Kilometer.
kilometers
Badi.
per hour. Per hour. And time?
3.5
3.5 hours. So what we're going to do is find the distance. So So D is equals to
74
kilometer
per hour
per hour over
times
times
3.5
5
hour.
hour. So D is equals to 74 kilometer times 3.5 hour is equals to calculate
259
200
kilometers per hour. 259
259
kilometers.
So we're not going to
Teacher.
hours. So the answer is 259
Kilometer.
Okay. Do you want another example?
Yes, teacher.
So another example is we're going to find again the distance. Okay, so what's the formula again?
Distance equals speed times time.
Okay, so we're going to find the distance. So D is equals to
3.35
35
kilometer
kilometer
per hour.
per hour. Distance is equals to what's the time?
5 hours. Times teacher.
Times distance is equals to 5
Times teacher.
Wait. Times 5 hours. So we're going to multiply. 35 times 5 hours equals
175 kilometers.
we're going to flush
Rush
out
hour.
the hours. So the answer is
175 kilometers.
175
Kilometers.
kilometers. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Another example. D is equals to 300 kilometers and speed is equals to 65 kilometers per hour. So the time is unknown. So what we're going to do?
Find the time, teacher.
Okay, find the time. So what's the formula?
Time is equal
Time
to
is equal to
distance
distance
over
over
speed.
speed.
Time is equals to distance over
Speed.
So time is equals to
300 kilometers
300 kilometers.
over
Time is equals to
ano po?
over 300 kilometer over
65 kilometer per hour.
kilometer.
Per hour.
So what we're going to discuss this unit,
Divide.
teacher.
we're going to
Cancel.
Answer ang kilometer.
300 divided by 65 is equals to 4.6. What's the answer?
4.6 hour.
4.6
6 hours. 4.6 hours.
4.6
6 hours.
So did you understand class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
So now, let's have you get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer this. If you are done, we will check whether your answer. answer that? Are you done?
No, teacher.
Just tell me if you are done. I will call each of you to answer that after. So make sure you answer that.
Cellphone na may drama.
Stop talking.
Done, teacher number 1.
Are you done?
Yes, teacher. Number 1,
Okay, let us
76.
pass your paper in front. So now,
One minute.
let's check your answer. So who wants to answer number one?
Number 1, who won?
Number one.
Who won? Who
One.
won?
Stop. I said I will be the one to choose who wants to answer. Number one, Angela.
Answer.
Number two, Ivy. Number three, April. Just follow the formula. Just wait mo lang April.
April, naunsa ka. Anak mo siya ka. Sige ko to yung trabaho. Mag-worry mang pagkakatas.
Teacher, sama kasi ang chilo. Quiet. Para to siya dismit.
Oh yes, teacher, I'm hungry. Teacher, may dato mag-classmate na ako.
Stop talking, Angelo.
Suko pa, April. Kanta ka kang mga.
Okay, let's check here. So number one is, can you read the number one? Who wants to read? When are you read the number one?
Number 1. Find the speed when distance is 300 for the laughter and time is 4 hours.
Okay. So let's check your answer. Okay, class, to better understand your classmates, can you please explain your answer? Who is the one ano sila?
So, the problem number 1 is find the speed when distance is 300 per kilometer and time is 4 hours. S here is speed is the unknown. So distance is 304 kilometer and time is 4 hours. And then after that, substitute and then so speed is equal to 304 kilometers over or divided by 4 hours. So speed is equal to 76 kilometers
For
per
my
hour.
personal, this is
Yes, teacher. The answer of Angela is very correct.
Okay, the answer of Angela is correct.
Yes, teacher.
Correct.
Yes, I get a 5 points.
Number 5 points na teacher. Next.
Malamig daw mag-exam, teacher.
Birthday ka man po, teacher.
Okay, sorry class. Number 2. Write me, explain your answer. So, teacher, some teacher.
The answer for number 2 is the distance is 262.5 kilometers. Our distance is unknown, so we have the speed and time. So speed is 75 kilometers and time is 3.5 hours. Then substitute and multiply the speed and time. So our result is 260.
So, the answer is
2.5 kilometer.
Number 3.
Wala na sa lagi ka, friend.
Quiet class. Sentinel teacher.
Ba, wala man.
So in number 3, the problem is asking for the time. So we will use the time formula. Time is equal to distance over speed. So the value of distance is 40 miles and the value of speed is 40 miles per hour. Then cancel out the miles unit and then 40 divide 40 is equal to 1 and then calculate the unit per hour. 1 hour.
Very good lagi siya.
Is the answer of April is correct?
Correct na correct, teacher.
Okay, very good. So the answer is
Yes,
1 hour.
I get the perfect score.
Hour. Who is the perfect score? Teacher.
Teacher, ako ang 15. Then nagun sila, teacher.
Yay! So now, did you understand our lesson class?
Yes,
teacher!
Very interesting.
So now, let's have a activity.
Sure, asa mga class?
What are you? Sit down. Sit down. What are you?
Maybe you are hungry.
Okay, listen class.
sorry teacher, naginip ko gikan.
Okay, sit down. Now, we're going to have a activity. I will group you first. Angelo, and when are you?
Teacher, what is it?
What's man akong giingon?
We have to
Stand.
listen to you, teacher. Panginaw sa imo, teacher.
Okay. So now we're going to have a activity. So I will group you into 4 groups. So this is for your answer will be written in this bond paper. This is group 1, group 2, group 2, 3, and 4.
Aminin mo ang group 2.
Group 1, you are the group 1, Angelo. Group 3 and 4.
Uy, bakit ang informative?
Do you have a pencil pen? No, teacher. I will give you 10 minutes to answer that. Just borrow with you.
Bawal di mo. Bulpen.
Just answer directly, class. your groups. If you're done, just pray. The other group is 6. After that, if you are done, we're going to explain your answer. Choose one representative to explain your answer. 6. Where is your pencil pen?
Teacher, bilhin mo na ni Manilin, teacher, nabumpa ka mo pencil pen.
Wala po teacher, nagino ka ba sa niyo man ng pencil pen? Isa.
Grabe nga pwede. Yung ba ang pencil pen?
Isa po kay Angelo. Pencil pen na rin.
Lumaman ka mo pencil pen. Where is na ating?
Angelo? Not okay. Guidance is Angelo teacher.
Done, teacher.
Kumanagod ni
Are you done?
Yes, teacher. How about you guys?
Not yet, teacher.
Wala, wala pa daw si Manilin.
Okay, if you are done, choose one representative to go in front and explain your
So
answer.
one is representative for group 1 teacher.
Group 1, who is the representative?
One teacher.
I am the representative.
Oh,
Wow,
Quiet.
Betty.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. I am Manario Ranas Salutatori and I am the representative from Group 1. So the given are the speed which is 75 kilometers per hour and the time which is the 3.5 hours. So ang aming panito is ang distance. So the formula in getting the distance is D is equal to S times I. So all you have to do is to multiply the 75 kilometer per hour as well as the multiply the 75 kilometer per hour and 3.5 hour. So the result is 262.5 kilometers. So that is the distance to teacher. This
Okay,
is
is group 1 correct, class? Yes. Everyone, group 1 is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so the answer is, what's the answer of group 1? 262.5 kilometers. So, the answer of number 1 is 265.5 kilometers. Group 2, who is the representative?
Although siya na po.
So the missing area is speed. So the given the time is 20 seconds, distance is 200 meters. So the formula is S is equal to distance over time. So distance is 200 meter divided by 20 seconds is equal to 10 meter per second.
Okay, is group 2 correct, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so the answer is
Second.
15 meters Then meter per seconds. Group 3.
Pati. Ala, si Jonah, very good ka na.
Quiet, Angelo.
Okay, we have
Just
here.
listen.
Okay, we have here the given speed is 65 kilometer per hour and the distance is 300 kilometer. So, ang missing there is time. So, the formula is distance over speed. So, time is 390 divided by 65. So, we have 6 hours. Time.
Okay, is group 3 correct?
Yes,
teacher. The answer? 6 hours.
Teacher.
The answer is 6 hours. Group 4.
Wala, nasuko na po.
So at number 4, the missing is the speed and the given is the time and the distance. The time is the 3.5 hour and the distance is 400.
Show your solution.
400.
Don't laugh, guys.
So the missing is the speed. So we will use the speed formula. Speed is equal to distance over time. So 473 kilometer over 3.5 hours. So the answer is 135.1 kilometer per hour.
Wala, Brahita, oy.
Okay, is group 4 correct?
Yes, teacher.
Is group 4 correct?
Yes, teacher.
What's the answer again?
135.1 kilometer per hour.
Okay, very good class. You are all correct. So the answer is 135.1 kilometers per hour. So, very good class. So let's have yourself a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, let's have yourself a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't shout.
Sorry, teacher.
Gutom ka na? Now, get one sheet of paper and answer this. But before you answer this, let's have first a test your knowledge. So to come up our lesson today, let's have a last man standing if you are really understand our topic for today. So, last man standing. Now, last man standing will be answered by question.
Who's the teacher? Row or column?
Row by row. It's the row 1, 2, 3. Jonah, can you please bring na lang ko. Row 1. Row 1, row 2, and 3. Okay. Stop talking. Row 1, row 2, and 3. Row 3 mudra ako. Row 3 mudra then row 2 Manila and Angela and row 1. Okay, listen. Quiet. Row 2.
Alam na yun.
Sila, alam na yan. Quiet. Ako'y nakakita kung design last month's outing. Angela, I do So now, answer my question. What is distance, Angela?
Distance is the total length between two positions.
Wala.
And the formula of distance is this equal speed over time.
Okay, very
Sir,
good,
Angela.
Kuha mama niya.
Very good, Angela. So now, row 1. Recall what's the formula of time?
Time, the formula is of time is distance over speed po, teacher.
Okay, very good. So we have 2 questions remaining. Next is
Malilin, gusto ko ginawa ng sir.
Rule 3.
Wala, bisa pala yapin niya.
Sabi sa teacher.
Teacher, kaya na
Ay,
yan.
may approach na teacher.
So is the last one something?
May approach na teacher.
Sabi sa sila.
Okay, nagsabay sila. Okay.
Sila na naglalagwan si
Rule 1.
Dito na, dito na.
Malario is the last one standing. Answer my question. What is the definition of speed and what is the formula of speed?
Speed is scalar quantity that refer to how fast an object travel to teacher. So, meaning to say, ang speed ay is mo na siya kung sa kakas-kaso pag-travel sa isang object. Ang formula sa speed is is equal to distance over time to teacher.
Okay, very good, Malario. Last question.
Malilin na.
Rule 3.
Wala, mag-inyong yun siya.
Sarah, you are the one. Last one standing. Answer my question. So define what is time.
Time teacher is a quantity measured or measurable period during which action, process or condition exists or continues.
Okay, very good class. So, you really understand our new lesson today. So, do you have question?
None, teacher.
Okay, so if not, answer this. In a 1/2 sheet of paper. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer.
Pangatag mo papel.
What a bibig eh. Tapos bet ko daw. Yung kapit yung mga mukhaan mo.
Nicole,
Away sila.
answer. May papel.
Teacher, naglapit sila.
Are you done? Yes, teacher. Okay. So, question paper is mine.
Dara mo, dara na to.
Ang zero naman ang copy.
Bahala ka.
Now you have the assignment. Can you please read the assignment? And zero read. So, everyone.
Solve it from having 1/4 sheet of paper. A plane traveled 395,000 meters in 900 seconds. Calculate his speed.
Okay, so you are going to ask it tomorrow.
Mana daw siya.
So, do you have question, clarification?
None, teacher.
Okay, if you are done, please stand. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Teacher Angelica. Goodbye, classmates.